Hi, welcome back to Finding 50 in Susie's Garden. Today I'm going to give you a quick and fun garden tour of what my garden is looking like on the first day of summer. So here I have some of my tomatoes that I've planted recently, and here we have the tomato plants that I have growing, and I have them pruned and they're looking beautiful. Here we have all of our eggplant. Here's one of my zucchinis coming in, some spaghetti squash growing in, and here's some more squash. The guava tree is starting to bud and looks so beautiful. Looks like we're actually going to get a lot of fruit this year. I've been waiting patiently. Here's some more of the zucchini. I think there's one growing in. There it is. Lots and lots of beautiful eggplant. Believe it or not, our pomegranate tree decided to start giving fruit incredibly early because we are in June and it is just filled with some fruit coming in. Our lemon tree is filled with lemons, and it's actually getting its second. This lemon tree gives us lemons 2 to 3 times a year. So we have the lemons that are already there, and then we have the new lemons coming in. The papaya tree. Tomatoes growing everywhere. Here's another papaya tree. A couple more papaya trees there. Lots of oregano. Some parsley with our tomatoes. Aloe vera. Some more oregano. And some basil. This year our basil took a little bit longer to come in. So lots of beautiful sage right beneath the persimmon tree, which is filled with persimmons. Next to the persimmon tree, this one is the harder persimmon tree. This is the persimmons that grow that are hard and kind of taste a little bit like pear and cinnamon. And then we have the fig tree that's just filled with figs this year because of the heat we've had. So they look pretty beautiful. And this persimmon tree, now this persimmon tree is the one that the fruit is like kind of like a jelly inside. It's very soft and beautiful. I have a few videos on both of the persimmon trees, so I'll link them for you to see. Let's take a look at the other fig tree. So there's 3 actually. There's this one, and then that one there. And then there's this one here. I feel like we're going to get a lot of figs this year. So that was my garden tour for the first day of summer. I'm pretty excited. I think it's going pretty well, and I feel like we're going to add a lot more to the garden. Starting next week, I'm going to add a lot of cucumbers and more zucchini and a few other surprises that I'll show you in the next video. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notifications, and I will see you soon. Have a blessed and wonderful week. Bye-bye.